Hi all, today I will show you how to take a long screenshot with your Samsung S24 Ultra. For example, if you have to, if you want to take a screenshot of an article, of a book page, and it won't fit in a website or whatever text you want to screenshot, and it won't fit into a single screenshot, you have the possibility to take to do this in a one single screenshot. So for this, what you want to do is go to your text or whatever it is. This one, for example, this is a news article and it will have to go into two screenshots, but I don't want to do that. I just want to have a one single screenshot. So for this, go on to the first page, press shortly volume down and power, and once the screenshot's taken, go to this button here, press again the button, and it will take the second screenshot for you, and you can go to visit it in a gallery, and here you have the full screenshot of both pages. But if your text will have a few pages, just keep pressing, keep tapping on the button, and it will take continuously will take screenshots for you, and it will slide the pages, so you can have it all in one screenshot. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.